There's no true one-size-fits-all for shoe storage, just as there's no true one-size-fits-all for shoes themselves. If our recent lab test of nearly 30 separate shoe racks tells us anything, there are some key components and features you can look for to ensure that you're getting a rack that will meet your needs. Whether your needs include lots of room for tall boots, compact cubbies for plenty of kids' shoes, or versatile storage that can accommodate shoes of all shapes and sizes. There are many products available to choose cheap shoe storage boxes, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best cheap shoe storage boxes from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Stackable Shoe Rack 5-tier. A narrow shoe organizer that also earns accolades for being spacious may sound like an oxymoron, but in the case of this piece from Stackable, it's a reality, too. I was able to get 15 pairs on the rack, using the top shelf as a rack, our tester said. They added that large shoes hung over the front or back edge a bit, but that the canvas slings are taut, making the piece very effective at what it does. This shelf is also a breeze to take care of, too. The top wiped up easily with a dry paper towel, our tester said. The canvas shelf also cleaned up quickly. Our tester suspected that the dark-colored material made it simpler to hide or remove marks from dirt. Though, some effort does go into putting this shelf together. With 30 parts plus hardware, setup took a bit of time, and our tester said the instructions were only so-so. Notably, once you have this 5-tier rack built, though, you'll likely appreciate it as much as our tester did. Number 2. Stackable Shoe Bench. The Stackable Shoe Bench is a convenient shoe storage option for your entryway. It features 2 rows of open shelves, where you can place a total of 10 pairs of shoes or other items. In addition, you can comfortably sit on top of the bench to put footwear back on when it's time to head out again. During testing, our tester said, this shoe rack has it all, including a bench sheet and adjustable cubbies. I love that you can fit Rainer's snow boots in some cubbies and flats or heels in others. Ultimately, they'd be happy to add this piece to their entryway. The bench is more sophisticated than your average shoe storage solution, too. It looks more like a piece of furniture rather than an organizational product because it's crafted from solid and manufactured wood. It's also fairly stable. Our tester only noted that the back piece felt a bit flimsy and that the bench rocks slightly with their movements. Overall, this bench is a good product at a good price, though. It comes in 3 color pairings, too. Number 3. Siseno 12-pack shoe storage boxes. Keep your shoes neatly organized and dust-free with the help of these stackable shoebox storage bins. You can organize your shoes by either stacking them or by putting them side by side to find them easily. These plastic shoe storage boxes are suitable for closets and help increase your closet size to fit in more shoes. You can use these storage boxes in bedrooms, bathrooms, playrooms, garages, and offices to make ample space for other essential things. This durable box is designed with rear ventilation holes for odor prevention and air circulation. It is available as a 12-pack set with front openings for convenient usage. Keep your shoes dust-free and neatly organized with these stackable shoebox storage bins. Clear stackable design to help maximize your space. Stack or use them side by side to keep your shoes organized and easy to find. Each bin measures approx. 13.1 liters x 9 watts x 5.5 H, ideal for closets, bedrooms, bathrooms, laundry rooms, craft rooms, mudrooms, offices, playrooms, garages, or any room of your home, apartment, condo, dorm room, RV, or camper. Made of durable, high-quality, strong plastic material. Practically designed with rear ventilation holes to allow air circulation and odor prevention. Number 4. Adding Star Black storage shoes. The simple interlocking device makes the storage shoebox special, as you can connect each box for easy carrying. The Adding Star storage boxes are reinforced for extra stability and have a larger capacity for all sports shoes. This pack of 6 boxes is stackable for easy organization and keeps your closet neat and clean. The organizer is made up of strong and sturdy material that is easily washable. It is more convenient to use as the opening adopts a magnet adsorption design. Simple interlocking design can connect each box together for easy carrying. Reinforced frame for extra stability. These shoeboxes are stackable for easy organization and storage. Keep your wardrobe or closet clean and neat. Black plastic is more noble. The flip is transparent, so you can see what's inside. Boxes are strong, durable, and washable. Transparent window with upgraded magnet to view content. Stack multiple units to maximize storage. Package includes 6 boxes with size of 14.5 in, 11 in, 8.7 in. LWH fits most men's shoes up to size 14. Number 5. QMER Shoes Box. The shoebox is made of surface waterproof cardboard paper and is multi-purpose for storing socks, underwear, books, and toys. The 12-box pack from YITAHOME comes with D-labels on which you can write your family members' names or lot each box accordingly. These cardboard shoe storage boxes have double-sided tape to prevent them from falling and have no residue when peeled off. The ventilation and anti-mildew design keep them clean and odorless, and help prevent moldy shoes. The box is made of surface waterproof cardboard paper. It also can store socks, underwear, books, toys, etc. With D-labels, you can write each family member's names on it. With double-sided tapes, you can fix the shoebox from falling down, and it has no residue when peeled off. Very strong bearing capacity and durability. You can stack several boxes to save more space. The design of the small holes allow air to flow through the shoebox, keeps it clean and odorless. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.